In this video, we show how to replace the right air shroud on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover removed, to remove the right air shroud, disconnect any cables that are routed over the air shroud, and then lift the cable cover and then move the cable out of the way. Then pull back on the latches and lift the right air shroud out. To install the right air shroud, align and lower into the system until fully seated. Then run the cables over the air shroud and close the cable cover, and then reconnect the cable to the HPM. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.